They said he was done. They said Saudi Arabia was just the retirement league. Yet here we are. Al Nassr is begging for more. What they won't tell you, Al Nassr is quietly working behind the scenes to lock Cristiano Ronaldo in for even longer. Why? Because their entire future depends on him. A full summer overhaul. Big names like Luis Diaz and David Hango on the radar, all to build around one man. And here is the twist. They are not just extending a contract, they are handing Ronaldo the keys to shape the team, the league and the region's football legacy. This isn't just about goals, it is about power, influence and immortality. Some say he should run back to Europe or cash out in the MLS, but the truth, those moves are safe, predictable, boring. Staying in Saudi Arabia, that is the bold play. That is the move that writes history, not headlines. The world's watching. Will Ronaldo take the crown and build an empire, or walk away from a legacy only he can finish? Either way, one thing is clear. This decision isn't just about football. It is about control, legacy, and proving them all wrong again.